Hello. Welcome to this moment of absolute peace. Before we begin, take a second to thank yourself for simply being here. The day is over. The noise of the world has faded away, and there is nothing left for you to do. You have arrived at your destination. You are safe. You are warm. You are protected. I want you to imagine that you are in a small, ancient wooden cabin deep in the mountains. Outside, the snow is falling heavily, covering the world in a blanket of silence. But inside, everything is warm and glowing. Right in front of you, there is a large stone fireplace. The fire is burning steadily, casting a golden, dancing light across the room. Look at the flames. Watch how they move. They are never the same, yet always constant. This fire has been waiting for you. It is here to guard you through the night. Take a deep breath in through your nose, smelling the faint, comforting scent of burning pine wood. And breathe out slowly, letting your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let the sound of the crackling wood become the rhythm of your rest. Snap, crackle, pop, a lullaby that is as old as humanity itself. Now let the warmth of the fire begin to relax your body. Imagine the heat radiating from the hearth, traveling across the room to touch your feet. Feel your toes relaxing. Feel your ankles becoming loose. The warmth is a heavy, gentle blanket that moves up your legs. Your calves, your knees, your thighs, everything is becoming heavy. You are sinking deeper and deeper into your bed, supported by the earth below you. Let this wave of relaxation rise into your hips and your stomach. There is no tension here, only softness. Your chest rises and falls slowly, mimicking the slow pulse of the glowing embers. Your hands are open and resting. Your arms are heavy by your sides. You have carried so much today, but now you can set it all down. The fire will carry the weight for you. Notice your face. Smooth out your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Let your eyes rest deeply in their sockets. Even the tiny muscles behind your eyes are going to sleep. You are completely still, a statue of peace in a room filled with golden light. As you stare into the heart of the fire, you might notice thoughts drifting through your mind. Do not fight them. Just imagine that every worry, every plan, every memory is a small, dry leaf. Visualize yourself holding that leaf for a moment, acknowledging it, and then gently tossing it into the fire. Watch it catch the flame. Watch it curl up, turn orange, then black, and finally turn into smoke. Watch the smoke rise up the chimney, disappearing into the cold night sky. One by one, burn your worries. Let them go. They cannot exist here. Listen to the wind outside. It is just a soft murmur against the sturdy walls of the cabin. That sound reminds you of how safe you are. The contrast between the cold outside and the heat inside makes this moment feel even sweeter. You are in your sanctuary, a fortress of comfort where nothing can touch you. The fire is changing now. The high dancing flames are settling down into a deep, intense bed of glowing coals. Red, orange, and gold. This deep heat is even more relaxing. It pulls you in. It invites you to close your eyes fully if you haven't already. The image of the fire is burned into your mind, keeping you warm even in the darkness. You are drifting, floating. The boundary between you and the room is dissolving. You are no longer just a body in a bed. You are part of this stillness. You are part of the silence. Weightless, timeless. Allow yourself to drift into the world of dreams. Imagine the smoke from the chimney lifting you up, carrying you gently into the star-filled sky above the clouds. Up here, everything is quiet. Up here, you are renewed. Every breath heals you. Every moment of silence restores your energy. Sleep is very close now. It is wrapping around you like a heavy, soft quilt. You are ready. You are willing. There is no resistance left in you, only peace, only warmth, only the soft echo of the fire guarding your rest. Drift deeper, down into the velvet darkness, down into the quiet. You are safe. You are loved. You are at peace. Good night.